Are you ready for some bubble magic? Let's go! Bubble Planet is an immersive and interactive experience located in Toronto that opened last year. The attraction combines light displays, interactive installations, and bubble-themed activities for visitors of all ages. The experience is designed to transport guests into a vibrant bubble-filled world featuring a mix of art, technology, and playful elements. Tickets are usually sold online with timed entry slots. Tickets are priced at $37 for adults and $27 for kids on weekdays and about $40 on weekends. You can even go there and buy your tickets. We chose to go on a weekday and there was no timed entry. You can stay as long as you want and spend as much time as possible. You would technically need a minimum of 1 to 2 hours to experience everything. The space features various rooms with different bubble-related themes, each designed for exploration and photo opportunities. The attraction offers a mix of playfulness and creativity, making it a popular choice for families, group of friends, and anyone looking for a unique sensory experience. Visitors can interact with various bubble displays, including light and sound effects that respond to touch and movement. Hey, by the way, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you have been to this place, share your thoughts in the comments section. The colorful and imaginative setups are designed for capturing Instagram-worthy moments. Well, surely we enjoyed our time at the Bubble Planet. Kids just love this place. Some installations incorporate AR features, adding a digital layer to the physical environment. AR, if you want to experience, it's an additional $5 to the ticket. Looking for a spot to spend some fun time with your kids? Then this should be on your bucket list in Toronto. Until next time, it's Manoj Kumar Sundar signing off.